This is 4-liter cereal storage containers, and these are fantastic. You can use these for cereal, of course, but also for oatmeal, flour, sugar, and so much more. It also comes with 4 lids, as well as the sticker sheet and even a chalkboard pen as well. And these are just perfect to use when you want to put some cereal inside without the cereal getting stale. So let me show you how cool it is the way I use it. And all I do is I get the cereal container and I slip it in. I've already opened this up and cut it, and then I just slip it on just like that. Then I get the lid, and this is what the lid looks like. And you put this on right here, and then you can snap it into place. Perfect. And then you're gonna open up the top, and now I'm gonna get the cereal and pour it in. Perfect. Then you just close it shut, and you're good to go. I absolutely love these. Then you have a perfect bowl of cereal. Here's a close-up of the stickers and the chalkboard pen, and then you just put the sticker onto the container. These are what the lids look like. They also have gaskets too that are removable, and they have 4 sides where you clip it into place. This is what the front looks like, and to use it, you just lift this and then you pour. Simple as that. And this is what the containers look like. As you can see, there's an indentation here, so you can hold it, perfect for smaller hands too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.